is Shan. I'm 6 years old. Today we are going to bird. If you see the sky, the birds will fly. Birds so amazing. Birds so beautiful. Birds can lay their eggs. Baby birds can laugh. And Mommy Bird is feeding baby bird. A progeny falcon coming, and it's dangerous animals. The big dangerous will never come back. Flamingo, Senave, Mina, Mako, Panjavarakali, Parrot, Killy, Pigeon, Pura, Duck, Water, Goose, Tara, Rooster, Serval, Ostrich, Collie, Hawk, Pavender, Vulture, Peregrine, Gallagher, Turkey, Grand Collie, Camerod, Nur Caham, Crow, Caham, Hummingbird, Curlew, Pelican, Koolai Kada, Hen, Collie, Peacock, Mile, Crane, Cock, Skylark, Vanapari, Sparrow, Chittakuvalli, 20 flamingo dan, Stork, Nave, Swan, Annam, Kingfisher, Mean Cutty, Quail, Cuckoo, Seagull, Kadai Kaham, Night Heaven, Nave, Quail, Kadai, Owl, Andai, Toucan, Palachandam, Woodpecker, Mammoth. I like birds. Thank you. See you soon.